Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a meme command since it was really highly requested in the server. So that's why I'm leaving the link down in the description so you can go and suggest yours. So let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so here we are in the tutorial bots folder. Let's go to our commands, normal, and create a new file and name it meme.js. As always, you will find link in the description for the source code, so you don't have to write all of this. But you need to watch the full video so you understand what each code do. So, first of all, we will need a package called got. So we will npm I got. Okay. So here we will go over here and say const got. Wait, there is a new update. I don't care for that now. Const got equal require. And then we will put like this. Wait. Yup. And here we'll type got. Okay. So this is for my command handler for my command handler. I can't type, I don't know why. By the way guys, I have my own bot now. You can invite it, the link down in the description. It is over here, as you can see. So I can try it, have multiple commands. I didn't finish the bot yet, but you can invite it right now if you want to. Okay, let's continue. This one over here is checking that the command starts with the prefix. Okay, if not, return. Return that mean don't do anything. Or go to the previous line. It is here, so like he won't do anything. So here, creating an embed. Okay, so this line, it's getting the link where there is the memes. Okay, so getting the link that have the memes. Okay, this one over here, it is setting the JSON file that have the memes. So setting the JSON file that have the memes. Okay, here, do you know when we type https://reddit.com, there must be like another slash and saying the meme link, the meme code link, okay? So this is it. So like https reddit, whoops, reddit slash, this is the permalink, okay? This over here, like that, it is getting the meme URL, that is the permalink. So basically we can say URL. Okay, so getting the meme URL. Okay, and here getting, oops, getting the meme image. Here pretty easy, getting the meme title. Here getting how much likes on the meme, and here getting how much dislikes on the meme, and here getting how much comments. on the meme. Okay. So now we are creating the embed. So already created one, so here it will be the title. The title will be, so it will be the meme title, okay, that it is here, okay, will be like this, meme title. Okay, here getting the URL, here getting the URL of the meme in the embed, here getting the image in the embed, getting a random embed color, and here just putting down how many upvotes and dislikes and comments. Okay, here sending the embed. And that's for my command handler too. So let's node dot. I don't know why this is still here. Okay, let's go to here. Let's type equal meme. Let's see. Discord is undefined. Yeah, let me do like this. Now node dot equal meme. What? Here. Yeah, my internet was kinda bad. Okay, this is kinda good. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.